Efficient service. Well, I don't know how this gonna work. It smells so good. Let's talk about efficient service. Well on. They just called me and told me that they're coming, and here they are. So I'm gonna go pick up my packages. Give me a second. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. We are going to do a little car unboxing. This packages I know it's including some accessories for my DJI, so let's see. All right, sit still. I don't know what this is. The name of this is sit still, but I don't know what it is, but it looks like some accessories. Yeah, some accessories for my DJI. So this, I could actually use this right now. I could actually really use this right now. So I'm gonna prop you guys in this. I can prop you guys up in that. So see, there's a big difference. There is a major big difference. Don't mind when I'm back. But I can't put on everything now because I want to do a TikTok unboxing. This is a little light that I bought, but as I said, I don't want to unbox everything right now with you guys because I have to do an unboxing on TikTok. So this is like a light that, you know, when you're in some low light places, you want to make sure you have good lighting, right? Oh, okay. We want to charge. So, I don't know this is gonna work. This looks very dull. This looks very dull. This looks dull. I don't know. Next package. Ooh. Yeah, so this is part of my unboxing that I need to do for TikTok. This is for my case. This is for my laptop case. Oh, these are the cases for my DJI. Okay. Case for my DJI. Okay, head wrap. Alright. These are my coloring pencils. That's for my little unboxing. I'm just loving this little thing that the pocket is on. It's so convenient, more than like the tripod tail. It's so convenient. Oh my gosh, it's so convenient. This is the light that I bought for my my Osmo Pocket 3. And baby, do you see that? So let me show you guys. I'm gonna turn it down. That's it low. Then it comes in 3 different color settings. 1, 2, and 3. This looks so good. This looks so good. So like when I'm having date nights and the place is dark, I have my light and it's rechargeable. Oh my gosh, this is tea. This is so good. Lord, thank you. Oh, and here's the scarf that I got. I started putting it on. I wanted to put it on to see how it looked, but I want to get another one because I want something longer. This is not long enough. So like a time like right now where I don't really want to be doing my hair. Yeah. Close the eyes. Eyes closed. Your eyes closed. AJ, you're cheating. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, AJ. Close your eyes. Look at it. What's that? What is it?
It's a Green Parker. It's a Christmas. That's for clear. What price is?
Come.
Huh? Okay.
So it's an activity book. You have puzzles. You have all kind of things that you can do in it.
What does?
You have word search. You can color. You can write and tell mommy and daddy what you want.
Mommy.
You got loads of stuff in there, yeah?
Wow. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Wow, I love
Mommy?
that, yeah? So guys, they like it. AJ, do you like your coloring book? Do you like your activity book? No, that's mommy's coloring pencils. No, that's for mommy. That's for mommy. But they like it. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another day in the vloggy vlog. So tonight is date night. I think we're probably going to be going to the movies tonight. I'm not 100. Well, based on what we talked about yesterday, yeah, we're supposed to be going to the movies tonight. But as you know, it's Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Hopefully I can give you guys this vlog tomorrow or Sunday. Our landlord saw me, and then my husband have on said, Chloe, a match, long and short, and everybody's like, yo, no look good, my husband smell good, everything. Good night, no, pass.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name's Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar. Close to me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Guys, can you tell that I'm tired? Can you tell that I am tired? I'm so tired. We are gonna head home. It's like 10:47. How was date night? Date night was alright. We just went to go watch a movie. Carib was having a horror night, so they were playing pure horror shows. So we went to watch Coyote because everything else was like, everything else was not our cup of tea. I don't remember the rest of the shows that they were having, but it was horror night and we weren't watching everything else. Coyotes was okay. It was funny, not scary, but it was like a comedy kind of thriller. Yeah, comedy thriller. Yeah, listen, I can still smell the perfume on me. Oh, I got a new perfume. I got a new perfume. This is Nebras Elixir. This smells so good. This smells divine. Okay. Earlier, when my husband and I just came down, and I stopped by the store next door, they were like, "Ooh, you smell good. You smell like vanilla. You smell like..." They just couldn't put their fingers on it, and then they looked at me. They were like, "Oh my gosh, you look so good." I need to get like a nice... I don't think I'm gonna ever buy a Bridget's, but I'm thinking about it now. Not in this economy, because baby, like the slippers that I wore tonight with this dress, it didn't cut it. I needed like something a little bit more toned down, and stuff. But listen, and then I curled my hair by myself, guys. I curled my hair all by myself. I am doing the thing. I'm doing it, okay? I told you guys that I want to be doing my hair by myself, and that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. But I'm feeling so tired, guys. So, we talk tomorrow.